Hello traders, let's quickly look at GBP USD and Euro Dollar. With the market opening, we can see that these two instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity. I will be first looking at Euro Dollar, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, if we look at the monthly chart on Euro Dollar, we can see that this market is a long-term bearish market. Starting from this level, we saw that euro dollar had a sharp rejection with this long week candle. There is a huge drop in this market for back to back almost 3 months drop. Now this month we have seen that once the market opened, initially the price has had an initial drop, and also you saw that the price tested this resistance here as well on the monthly. If we look at this both resistance and support, we see that the price currently approaching another monthly resistance where we saw that the market opened with a gap where previously also this level acted here as a resistance, and we can see that euro dollar is getting rejected from that level. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well, euro dollar is showing significantly bullish at the moment. We see that the price from this level previous week there was a long pin bar. This week we saw that once the market opened from this level, the price couldn't create any new lower low. Instead, we see that the buyers are buying as the price is approaching that resistance. We could see that euro dollar is going up, retesting that resistance level, and even we could see a narrow movement in that zone. So initially we could see further upside on euro dollar from lower time frame perspective. Looking at the daily time frame to see where we see back to back 2 days of drop on euro dollar. After this daily impulse we saw a drop, and currently the price again trying to break to the upside. As we see that from this daily support level, if we draw this level, also we see in the past this level acted here as a significant support. From that zone we saw a daily movement, the price has broken that level, and we saw that break of this resistance zone, the price has come to the same level, created a higher low, forming a potential inverted head and shoulder. Euro dollar currently trying to change its trend to the upside on the daily as well. So looking at intraday perspective, we can see that from daily 4 hour perspective, euro dollar today open with a gap, and so far we see that the bulls are active. Every sessions the price was creating bigger and longer candle. So with that being said, we could see that euro dollar on the lower time frame showing potentially bullish price action, as we saw that there was a breakdown on euro dollar is last day of trading week, which is in fact a complete breakdown from this resistance support line. From intraday perspective, what I think that the price might go ahead and test this level as a resistance, as we see that this level acted here as a support here, support here, support here, and also from this long week candle the price has a breakdown, narrow correction, and we could see that euro dollar now going back up again to this resistance level to retest this level. So along this zone, we will wait for a lower time frame liquidity trigger. As we see that this is the 1 hour candle, the price already gathering liquidity in this local bullish channel, and we can expect now some upside momentum on euro dollar along this zone. If we see that euro dollar giving a suitable entry, we could look for buying opportunity on euro dollar to this for this movement to the upside. Now looking at GBP USD, we see that this instrument also moving almost in the same pattern as euro dollar. Now a little bit bearish than euro dollar, but still we see that it's also showing potential bullish. From this level we saw there is a long week candle. From the monthly, this drop on the monthly back to back 3 months to this significant monthly support level, and we see that this is the monthly candle which is a narrow doji in that area. And from that zone we see that GBP USD showing potentially bullish momentum to the upside as the price is approaching this monthly resistance, and I think that we could see a short term upside on GBP USD to retest this monthly level. Now looking at today's candle on the weekly. We see there is a weekly candle here, and once the market open maintaining a higher low, the price is showing bullish momentum. And what I think that GBP USD might go back up to test this resistance line from the weekly perspective. Now, looking at daily time frame on GBP USD, we can see that this is also a daily move. Here, the price has broken this resistance level, and from that level, we saw a breakdown with a long wick candle. Now, the price has come to this daily support level here, and from that support, we see that GBP USD slowly trying to create a bullish momentum on the lower time frame. Now, looking at intraday perspective, we see that a doji has formed here on GBP USD. Now, this doji is also a bullish continuation pattern. As a result, we can see that the bulls are buying this market again in that area. So this is where, if we look at the 1 hour chart on GBP USD, we can see that there is a liquidity trigger. The bulls again trying to create an upside bias. This is where we will look for potential bullish trading opportunity on GBP USD. If you like this analysis, guys, make sure that you leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.